Presenting Wesley Milestone 15.6-inch 25-liter casual waterproof laptop backpack. This zippered unisex backpack is durable and lightweight. The backpack is made of snow yarn polyester fabric with soft handle and adjustable shoulder straps. The back straps of the backpack are padded to give the user maximum support, and it is made with anti-sweat fabric, giving you the comfort throughout the day. The water-resistant material helps to keep the interior dry. It has eco-friendly materials. This slim, sleek and compact backpack features two side water bottle pockets, one main compartment, and a front pocket to fit your 15.6-inch laptop or notebooks. The dimensions of this backpack are 39.88 centimeters by 1.98 centimeters by 27.94 centimeters, and it weighs 499 grams. The backpack comes in 3 color variants of grey, navy blue and black. This backpack is easy to maintain. This product comes with standard brand warranty.